At the Catholic Woodworker, we believe that prayer is a daily battle. A battle best fought with suitable weapons. We strive to equip individuals and families with these spiritual weapons. Because the battle is fierce in our modern world. We hope that everything we make inspires Catholic hearts to remain strong, to keep the faith, and ultimately to come to know Jesus Christ in a deeper, better way.